Mrs. French's cat is missing.
Many of its components are fabricated using specialized robotic welders. Technicians build the sub-assemblies at special workstations. In turn, the sub-assemblies are then assembled into the main components. At the final assembly area, crews inspect and combine the main components into a completed main engine. The flight controller, with software designed and tested by Rocketdyne engineers, is then installed. The engine is then shipped to the John C. Stennis Space Center in Mississippi to be tested. Flight acceptance tests are conducted to verify the engine operation. Each engine is tested 3 times and thoroughly inspected to confirm its operation.
Seems that a large group of people have gathered outside the offices of